Sarah Lau, and I'm from Two Geeks Talking, and today I'm here with
Samantha Fernandez.
And what are you doing today here at Comic-Con?
I'm here talking about Mad Science of Windsor. We're a science enrichment program for kids. So I'm here talking about our Mad Science program, which is all about different types of science, and our new Schoolhouse Chess program, which teaches kids the basics and all the different pieces and strategies of chess.
Today all you're doing is recruiting?
I'm recruiting and I'm just advertising. I also have some slime experiments, and I did have color changing pencils, and I do have dry ice. Color changing pencils are gone, but I still do have dry ice.
And can you tell me more about the program that you are in?
Well, Mad Science is a science enrichment program for kids. So our main area of business is after school programs. So we go into schools and we do 6-week programs that are 1 hour a week, and we do different topics. So this year our topic will be Secret Agent Lab. So the kids will be learning all about things like forensics and security, and like secret codes and messages like Braille and Morse code.
I know you just said that these are after-school activities, but are you trying to encourage kids to like science and be involved in chess instead of social media and all that stuff?
Yeah, we are trying. That is our main focus, is trying to get kids interested. Because nowadays it's a little bit harder for kids to really get into science, especially chess too, with it being something that's, with video games and everything, that's a little bit more advanced. We really want to get kids interested and really get them learning about science and chess to get their brains working and continuing on.
What program are you in?
I actually go to the University of Windsor for communications, media, and film.
What year are you in?
I'm going into my 4th year.
And what do you plan to do after you graduate?
After I graduate, I would like to try and get an internship maybe, and then after that go for my master's in mixed media journalism.
What do you want to do, and where do you want to go after you graduate?
My main place I'd like to go would either be Toronto or Montreal after I graduate, but we'll see wherever it takes me, I guess.
And why do you want to go there?
The program in Montreal is, like I said, it's mixed media journalism, so it would focus on not only broadcasting, but it would focus on radio, internet media, and also broadcasting. So it just gives me like an all-around view of what I'm really interested in doing.
Thank you.